Hey there, aspiring YouTubers ready to conquer YouTube and turn your passion into a thriving career? Then you need to meet the ultimate YouTube guru, Elisha Fury. Elisha Fury has helped countless creators grow their channels with proven strategies that actually work. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, Elisha's got the insights you need. Imagine unlocking the secrets to explosive growth, mastering video editing like a pro, and seeing your subscriber count skyrocket. Picture this: Elisha guiding you through YouTube strategies, showing you how to analyze your growth charts, and ensuring you're always one step ahead of the game. With Elisha's expert tips, you'll learn to create engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. But it doesn't stop there. Want to make money from your channel? Elisha will show you how to unlock the secrets to monetization success. From understanding YouTube analytics to maximizing your AdSense earnings, you'll have all the tools you need to turn your channel into a money-making machine. And the best part? You're not alone. Join a thriving community of aspiring YouTubers, all working towards the same goal. Imagine brainstorming ideas with like-minded creators and supporting each other's growth. It's all about community and collaboration. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and start your journey with Elisha Fury. Turn your passion into a thriving career and make your YouTube dreams come true. Remember, every big channel started with a single subscriber. Make that first step today. Hit that subscribe button and join the revolution. Let's conquer YouTube together.